What's up everyone? So I've been immersed in the creating USDT ecosystem for roughly 4 years at this point, continuously testing various platforms. And here's what I've discovered. The internet is completely overrun with scam services. Like genuinely, maybe 75% of advertised platforms are straight trash. Reality is legitimate services in this space are extremely rare now. Get Flash USDT stands as one of the few genuine options. I've been using it about 10 months now, possibly closer to 11. No questionable practices, interface remains straightforward and clear, performance stays rock solid. So Flash USDT basically works like this. You're creating tokens that look indistinguishable from real tethers sitting in a wallet with identical visual presentation, matching ticker, everything displays the same way. But the distinction is you set the parameters yourself. Transfer quantity limits, how long they remain active, daily transaction boundaries. It's perfect for application testing, watching actual token movement happen, experimenting with DeFi setups, all without exposing real funds. Okay, let me walk through this. Main page is loaded here. First step is selecting how many tokens I want generated. 4 variant options visible, each showing cost breakdown and recommended applications. So I'll take this package. 100K looks good. Right, now configuring visibility duration. It ranges from 1 hour all the way to 7 days. For this example, let's set it to 24 hours. Perfect. Next, I need target address input plus network selection for the USDT creation. So I'm going with TRC20 network here, then just jumping to my wallet, copying my receiving address, switching back, pasting it in. Yeah, great, everything matches properly. And the last move is clicking Buy Flash. Okay, payment options are direct send to or through wallet connection, so wallet connection is simpler for me. Okay, selecting Trust, waiting for transaction processing. And yes, nice, 100K tokens just got generated and sent to me. Just waiting for balance update now. And while confirmation happens, let me break down what actually separates this app from the absolute flood of garbage you see everywhere online.
The fundamental difference I've identified after probably testing 50 different services over the years is approach to user information, and most platforms deliberately keep you in the dark. Pricing structures stay intentionally unclear, real functionality gets hidden behind marketing language and fake success stories, you legitimately don't understand what you're buying until after payment clears and you're already committed. This platform operates completely differently though. Total transparency from the first second. Pricing is explicitly stated, restrictions are clearly outlined, duration parameters are spelled out in plain language, you understand exactly what's happening before committing any funds. Beyond that, there's the operational consistency aspect, which genuinely reveals everything about platform legitimacy. I've personally watched dozens of platforms emerge suddenly with massive advertising pushes, collect payments aggressively for maybe 3 or 4 weeks maximum, then sites go dark and everyone's funds are just gone forever. This one's been running stable operations for approaching a full year now with consistent user base expansion, legitimate community interaction across multiple platforms. Most critical element though is actual blockchain verification. Every transaction is trackable through public blockchain explorers. Fraudulent services display numbers in private dashboards with zero connection to real blockchain networks. This platform connects to legitimate smart contracts. Real network validation process is occurring. That's independently confirmable, not just marketing claims. Now, here's why regular, everyday users should actually care about this beyond just crypto enthusiasts. We're transitioning into infrastructure where blockchain integration becomes standard across everything. You're already seeing payment applications adopting it, banking institutions exploring implementations, companies building entire business models on it, government systems testing applications. Basic blockchain understanding isn't specialized knowledge anymore. It's moving toward fundamental literacy, like understanding internet basics or mobile technology. This platform delivers that transformation without risk attached. You're not betting your savings to acquire fundamental knowledge. You're developing practical blockchain literacy applicable whether you're eventually actively trading, exploring decentralized finance applications, or simply comprehending how financial infrastructure is fundamentally evolving. So the link's in the pinned comment and description. Test it yourself and compare. The difference between theoretical understanding and hands-on capability is absolutely massive. Develop that practical foundation here first in safe conditions. Then you're equipped with real knowledge instead of operating on fear and guesswork when actual opportunities emerge. Drop your experience in comments after trying it. Peace out.